Thinking about moving to a new neighborhood? Make sure you check out these tips. Hi, Jordan Maiden here, and a lot of our clients are moving from across the city, across the street, across the country, across the world. And I want to make sure that when they land and the dust settles in their new home, they're happy with the property that they found. Couple recommendations. Number one, schools. You got to think about schools, whether you have kids, you don't have kids, you're thinking about having kids. It's just a nice thing to be able to understand what's happening in the neighborhood. I know that in some neighborhoods, literally one street is one neighborhood in a school district and the other street's another school district. And the pricing could be wildly different. Knowing that, and whether it matters to you, it does matter to you, it doesn't matter to you, you're able to make sure you're picking the right location. Another thing is just basic services. Where is there a grocery store? Where is there a park? Where is there a gym? How far is it away from your work? The number one question I ask anybody, especially if they're moving out of the city or out of the state, hey, where are you planning on work? Let's keep it within a reasonable distance. What's the traffic look like? And at the end of the day, once you find a property, I always recommend, hey, go over to that house Friday night, 8 o'clock, and just hang out there for an hour and just see what happens. Maybe it's loud, maybe there's party animals next door, maybe it's perfectly quiet. It's good to know what's happening in the community so you know that not just that one day for 15 minutes you walk through it, that it's good, but it's gonna be good for you for years to come. And of course, here at Maiden Real Estate, we're willing and able to walk you through all the pluses and minuses of a neighborhood and what might be the best for you and your needs.